guys, welcome back to my channel. This video will be the Butta lace frontal wig. So y'all, I'm just gonna walk y'all through basically how I install my Butta lace wig.
Let her run work 'cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to flow. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I got look like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I stay fly, I was there born. But these hoes like it's born. I get higher than the odds born. I can count just a torn. Getting money is so important. You thought I was done. I can go on and on. The cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Should've moved it like Barry Gordon. A star was born. My love is like a damn storm. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch on the man, we know advance. Give my nigga a chance. I see what he gon' do. Get rid of them bands. I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. So my hood let it down too. I can't decide. Just pouring car on my ride. The phantom roast body is what? I made the buffy like the was. I put some more price in the watch. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let her run work 'cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head to flow. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go.
Okay, y'all, so I wanted to pre-wash this wig before I put it on. Like I said, it's just always best to wash your wigs before you put it on instead of putting it right on out of the box. So here you just see me washing the wig, just getting any, extra gel or anything that I felt like was in the wig. I just wanted to shampoo it real good. Shampoo well, condition it. You could also condition it too. But I just want to make sure it was clean. Okay, y'all, so now that I have pre-washed it, this is how it look on the mannequin head. As you see, it already come with baby hair. But yeah, let's put this baby on, okay? Because I'm loving the color, y'all. Okay, so this wig is ear to ear. They say that it's the best wig to get because you really can style it any way you want to.
Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. No, you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is.
Okay, so you really just want to like comb all the hair back, all the extra hair.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, my tape froze us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
Okay, y'all, so as you see, I'm spraying the lace spray on it. Okay, y'all, so my phone had went dead, but this is the finished look. I might tell me what you see in me stuff, but this is without the baby hair. So I'm gonna just add a little bit of the baby hair, just a little bit.
Difficult. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else would choose. Nobody else would make this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, Right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss. Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe.